Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you what is a unique constraint in SQL and how we can use them in some simple example. Basically, the unique constraint prevents two records from having an identical values in a column. In the customers table, for example, if you might want to prevent two or more people from having an identical ID, because every customer should have its own unique ID. The following SQL query creates a new table called customers and adds 5 columns, namely ID, name, age, address and salary. Here the ID column is set to unique so that you cannot have two records with the same ID. If the customer table has already been created, then you can use this alter table command to add a unique constraint to desired column. Let me show you how to use unique constraint in some simple example. This is the SQL command line interface, and today we are going to use unique constraint on students table. In this example, we are going to create students table which has 4 columns, namely students number, first name, last name and class. And we are going to add unique constraint on the students number column. Let me show you how to do it. In this example, we are going to create students table which has 4 columns, namely students number, first name, last name and class. And we are going to add unique constraint on the students number column. Let me show you how to do it. For this, you just have to type create table command. So create table. Now we have to give the table name, which is students. In bracket, the first column is student number. So student number. Its data type, which is int, and we are going to use unique constraint here. So just type unique, comma. The second column is first name. First name. Its data type is varchar. Third column is last name. Varchar. And the last column is class, which has a int data type. Bracket close. After hitting semicolon and enter, now the table has been created. Let me show you how the metadata looks like. DSC students. Now we will insert our first record using insert command statement. If you want to learn more about insert command, just click the I button and watch our insert command tutorial. For validation, we will try to insert 2 identical records in the students number column to see if the unique constraint is actually working. For this, you just have to insert one record, insert into table name, which is students, values, in bracket, first one will be 101, comma, Adam, comma, Sandler, comma, and the class, which is 8. As you can see, one row is created. Now we will try to insert the identical student number in the students table. Let's see what happens. I have copied the same query. After hitting enter, as you can see, we have got an error saying unique constraint violated, which means we cannot insert duplicate values in the student number column. Unique constraint is a very important technique to avoid the duplicate records in the specified columns. For the second example, if you want to add unique constraint to the table which is been already created, you can use alter table command here. In this example, we will add a unique constraint to the first name column so that first name would not get the duplicate values. For this, just type alter table and the table name, which is students. Now we have to give modify here, modify, and the column details which we have to put unique constraint. So in this case, first name, and its data type, which is varchar 20. And now the unique constraint. So just type unique after hitting semicolon and enter. The table has been altered. We have added a unique constraint to the first name column so that the first name would not get the duplicate values. To validate this, we just use the previous insert command here. Insert command, in which the new record will be 102. Andy Cooper. The one row is created. Now we will try to use duplicates here in the first name column. So after hitting enter, now the same error message, the unique constraint is violated. I hope you understood what is a unique constraint and how we can use it with different examples. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the notification bell to get latest updates.